third graders, Miss Russ here. Today I'd like to talk to you about reading with fluency and expression. I'm going to read to you two different ways, and you're going to tell me which way you prefer to listen to someone read. Ickle me, pickle me, tickle me too. Ickle me, pickle me, tickle me too. Went for a ride in a flying shoe. Hooray, what fun. It's time we flew, said Ickle me, pickle me, tickle me too. Ickle me was the captain, and Pickle was the crew. And Tickle turn served coffee over mulligan stew. As higher and higher and higher they flew. Ickle me, tickle me, pickle me too. So that's way A. This is the second way, A, B. Ickle me, pickle me, tickle me too. Went riding in a flying shoe. Hooray! What fun! It's time we flew, said Ickle me, pickle me, tickle me too. Ickle me was captain, and Pickle me was crew. As Tickle served coffee and mulligan stew. As higher and higher and higher they flew. Ickle me, pickle me, tickle me too. So, which way did you guys prefer listening to me read? I hope you said option B. When we read with fluency and expression, we read like we talk, or at least that's the way I like to explain it. Our sentences are fluid. We go up, like, hello, class, how are you? My voice goes up, and you can hear that happiness in my voice. You can hear me smiling and being excited when I read with fluency and expression. I pause at the commas, and I read with the joy in my voice. When you don't read with fluency and expression, you sometimes sound like a robot, and it's not really fun to listen to. So, your assignment for today is to record yourself reading with fluency and expression on Seesaw and turn it into your classroom teacher. If you have any questions, please let us know. Bye-bye for now.